How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Alight Motion for PC. And here you can see this is the official website for downloading the Alight Motion on your PC. Simply go to Alight Motion PC and then go to download Alight Motion. Remove the ad, get rid of them, and then go to download Alight Motion again. Now simply select what you want and then from here you will be able to download and install Alight Motion on PC for free. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.